Hello, everyone. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes, and these are only my opinions. The 50 EMA is a very important indicator. The EMA, or the exponentially weighted moving average, puts more weight into recent price action as opposed to the SMA, or the simple moving average, which will weigh the last 50 prices equally. The 50 EMA is followed by institutional investors as well as retail, so everyone is looking at the same indicator. In my experience, it's a great way to gauge price action and a good indicator that tells you who's in control, the bulls or the bears. I'm going to show you some examples of real charts, and we'll see how the 50 EMA acted as support or resistance. We'll see how buyers or sellers reacted once the price broke above or below the 50 EMA. So here we have a daily chart of BTBT, and price right here at this level never really closed above the 50 EMA for longer than 2 days. So you know that the EMA was acting as resistance. When price broke through the 50 EMA, we knew that the bears were in control, and the price went all the way down to $4 from 15. Then we see here that once price broke through the 50 EMA, which was acting as support, price was able to close above it for a few days before it really took off. Then it was acting as support here. Couldn't hold the line, and it went down from 1039 to 663. Then it acted as resistance here for a few days until it broke through for a nice gain. Here we have a daily chart of PayPal. The price held above the 50 EMA, which was acting as support, before it took off. Then here the 50 EMA couldn't hold, so bears were back in control. The stock went down to 233 from 256. Then price broke through the 50 EMA here and closed above it for a couple of weeks. So you know that the bulls were in control before it really took off. Then here, the EMA was acting as a resistance, so you wouldn't want to buy it until it broke through it. And that's what happened right here for a nice gain. Then the stock got bearish here, and the 50 EMA couldn't hold support, and the bears took over again. The stock went from 280 down to 224. Here is a daily chart of Playboy. The 50 EMA was acting as resistance here, and the price couldn't close above it. So you know that the bears were in control, and the stock went from $40 to $20. And here's a chart of DocuSign. Price broke through the 50 EMA here, and you know that the bulls were in control. And that would have been a nice gain from 211 to 309. Bears took control here, and you can clearly see that price action couldn't break through the EMA, and the stock, as a result, went down from 284 to 243. So in my opinion, the 50 EMA is a great indicator, and the great thing about it is that you can see who's in control. Is it the bulls or the bears? And you can trade accordingly. That's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.